Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can see who likes you on Bumble for free. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's dive into it. So if you've been wondering whether there is a way, so for that we first gonna open up our Bumble app. Right upon doing that, this is how our home section gonna look like, and if you simply check out the options below, you're gonna find profile for you people in liked you section. You're gonna tap on liked you section, and now you have plenty of like you can see if you do have another option where people can actually compliment in your photos as well. You can see one compliment on top, and if you scroll you will find all of the people that have liked you. You can even see the numbers: new 50 plus, nearby 50 plus, and recently active 50 plus they have liked. So that's how you're gonna simply check out the people and profiles that have liked you. But if you simply want to check out the profiles as well, then you have to upgrade to premium. There is no free way to do that, unfortunately. So simply upgrade, take the cheapest plan, and you're good to go. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.